Stance and do what the party officials are pushing. I mean, just think about it. People have been making a whole lot of connections towards the CCP and the Soviet Union.
It's not a solution, all right? Guys, I think this is the biggest issue in gaming.
It's mostly peaceful with the burning background. With the building on fire, it might not actually be mostly peaceful.
This is a serious problem. $35,100 in salary, as well as Dr. Deborah Burks, who made $305,000. If Fauci remains in this position and doesn't get a raise, he'll make $2.5 million from
funded. And so, if you can't succeed in business, go to government, and because they actually, the funny thing about government is
Elections in perpetuity. Now, we're not talking about fraud in the sense of past elections. We are talking about future elections.
Let's just skip this part. And if that wasn't enough to drive home just how disgusting the Los Zetas are, one of the gang's former kingpins, a man...
What are we doing? What, are we gonna block both lanes now?
Manual recording will now start.
That are good. I know cops that are bad. I don't personally know them, but I know that they exist because you can't lump.
Achievement. This one's pretty difficult because you have to assassinate an elite to save yourself from what would have been a deadly fall. Now there's really just one spot.
Manual.
Vague as hell. That doesn't tell me anything, so I don't know what to avoid or anything about medical misinformation. There's nothing there. Now you couldn't tell me last month. I feel
Manual.
like remove cradle nut from base by removing angle adjustment nut F.
It's just an idea taking over this Red Lion Hotel. They're just an idea holding hatchets and threatening people. That's not a way to get
Manual recording.
Personally inspired by their story. It's incredible what they actually have fought through. You know, Candace Owens posted about something. I'm like, man, most of these people
not there. He looks like he's just absolutely miserable doing his job.
Yes. Look, when I see a lot of these people in media, Colbert and Kimmel and these like late night hosts, gone. There is a very real fear among media and Democrats. They will not be able to keep that boogeyman alive.
The breading was okay, but the texture is what hurt it. The apples didn't hurt or help my final rating, which is why I'm giving the microwave version a
Manual.
7. Then recover and microwave for another 3.
Wow, the boss drill did a terrible job, and that's because I didn't have enough downward force, and I had...
We're at Kingsford Pulled Pork, sweet and smoky Kansas City.
What happened here?
Then cover the pan and fry with medium to high heat for 5 minutes.
I'll release one of them. One of them is public, and his name was Bill,
Yes.
and last name DeBerg. So when you read that together,
Oh, I see.
looking at? Fuck you too, asshole!